Gabriel and from school. I was to take them to get ice cream the other day, but it didn't work out. We went yesterday, but we didn't check the opening hours, and we found out that the place was closed yesterday. So we had to reschedule it till today. It's called Dreams Rolled Ice Cream. We haven't tasted the ice cream yet, but we tasted it there. Popsicle, and those were great.
We bought 3 and then we got 1 for free.
We like to go to food trucks. There is actually one, it's some kind of Hawaiian food truck that people really rave about. When I was getting American citizenship, afterwards, I told my kids they will do something fun, and we found this I think it was also a Hawaiian shave ice place, so we went there. It was good.
No, didn't we go to a donut place?
We went to, it's called Voodoo Donuts. I think that place is really good, but apparently there's one that people say is way better in Portland.
There's this one donut when it's delicious. It has bubblegum icing and then a piece of bubblegum on top.
We went to Kuai a couple years back, so I'm hoping going to this food truck, it's gonna kind of remind us the time in Hawaii. We found this one food truck there.
So I am actually here on Kuai in front of Fresh Bite, which is one of the best food stands I have run across. So if you're in Kuai, definitely give this place a check.
And the shave ice.
Yeah, that's another thing. We really like shave ice. They were making their own syrups, and it just was to die for. We went there like 2 or 3 times.
Yeah.
Steve's here.
It wasn't
I don't know if I can fit there.
Ice cream! Did they change something? The ice cream truck's not here.
That's what I'm telling you.
Oh wait, there's more trucks over there. We found some more trucks. Where is the ice cream? We came to get ice cream, and the ice cream truck is not here. We're so sad. Okay, so they're not here for the season?
After Memorial Day.
Wow, we have to wait till Memorial Day to get ice cream.
Oh my goodness.
Well, we're clearly disappointed. This is the second time we've come. Yeah, it's the second time we've come. And it was closed first, and now there's no truck. Should we get some food?
First of all, the quality is not very good. I like the life,
It's like they desaturated it too much.
Here, this way.
and it also doesn't look sharp to me.
They made me look creepy.
And it's like they told her to put the chin down and look up like this. I like how she looks like on it. I'm just saying, we could do better photo than this. I'm sorry. Are you gonna eat the pasta too?
Sure. Is this cheese?
Yeah. Trošku by to vytáhnout.
Hey, Rowan, come get some.
I think it's like 2-3 cheeses. There's like blue cheese and...
It actually bit into it. It's not as hot as I thought it was.